my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana, and as you all can tell from the title today, we are attempting to do our eyeshadow using one color. So as you all can see, the color that we chose today was pink, and I am going to do this makeup look without using any transition shade or anything on the chocolate skin, because you know our chocolate babes, sometimes we need a transition, right? But if it is you would like to see how I did this and get this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Shalana Aesthetic on both Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys over there. So I know I'm looking crazy, but we're gonna fix it because this prayer cloud makeup thing not gonna really work, right? So first you're taking a damp beauty blender to blend out that eye primer or concealer on the eyes to give you a more seamless finish, right? As you all can see here, I sort of interfered with my eyebrows, and that's definitely a no-no. So I'm just going back in to fix that. So just be aware and careful when it is you're doing that, so it wouldn't happen to you. Next, I'm going in with my eyeshadow. So I'm using this second pink color that you see here. It's such a nice Barbie pink, and I'm patting that color into my eyelids, into my crease, everywhere. I'm putting this color. I'm patting it to build up coverage on the lid. So I'm using this translucent powder here. It do not have any pigment to it, so we're not adding any color. It's just to set that concealer under my eyebrows, right? So it will not shift, and I'm using a clean brush to blend everything, right? So using a clean brush, meaning I'm not adding any more pigment. I'm just going to help fade those colors, right? Well, that color, because it's just one, into my eyebrows, right? So remember, we're not using any transition color, so we need to make this color look good, and by doing that is by fading it into my eyebrows, right? So you see I'm lifting the eyebrows there, and I'm blend, right? I was kind of like tapping off my brush, right? So it wouldn't have anything at all, and to blend. That's what I'm doing basically. I'm just reinforcing the line under my eyebrows, and that's it. Look at this. Come and look at this. Somebody come and look at this. This is me trying to get some tape just to do a wing liner, because I'm not yet confident to do it without tape. Now my liner is on. I can remove these tapes and get into the rest of things. Now you all saw me do my face a billion and a million times, so we're gonna fast forward this. Okay, girl?
6 hours later.
So you want to go back and enforce those eyebrows, right? Sometimes they get lost. Next, I'm going in with some rose water. This is to take down the powdery look on the skin before I set it. So I don't see people do that, but this is what I like to do. Yeah, I know I'm using this fan, but hey, that's what I have, so that's what I use, okay? And I'm setting my face with setting powder, setting spray. What's wrong with me? Anyway. Yeah, I'm feeling myself looking all cute or whatever. So now let's get some lashes in, and let's do our inner corner highlights, right? I swear this corner highlights brought this look together. Like, it made it look so cute. Oh my gosh. And we can't forget the lips. So I did a brown liner on the lip as per usual, and I used a nude color, very nude. It was matte, and I afterward applied a gloss, and it made the gloss keep shiny but it was matte. It wasn't going anywhere. You know how usually glosses come off? It wasn't going anywhere. So try a gloss on top of matte lipstick or lip gloss and see how it works. And it actually worked really, really well, in my opinion. So don't mind the noise behind me per usual, but this is the finished look. I hope you all like this look. Tell me how you all think this one eyeshadow look come out. Beside the inner corners, that is not a part of it. It's just one eyeshadow, you know, and the chocolate skin. How you all think it comes out without using a transition shade, right? Like, I like how it looks. Like, I tell me this pink has been looking good on this chocolate. Come on, tell me not. Anywho, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Shalana Aesthetic on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.